Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear step bumper, alloy wheels, four-wheel independent suspension, remote keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear window defroster. Come take a test drive today.